Hi guys! So, gagawa tayo ng pizza para sa kay Hadi. So, ang ingredients niya ay cottage cheese, almond flour, baking powder, 2 eggs, salt, our pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and parmesan cheese. Also, meron siyang pwedeng lagyan ng pepperoni or bacon. Susundan ko itong video ni Karen Angels. So, yan yung gagawin natin na pizza. Susundan natin na ingredients. So, first, we need 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. There you go. So, 1 cup. And then, we need 1 cup of almond flour. Like 1 cup, 1 cup. So, since I already used the 1 cup, so I'm just going to use the 1 half cup. We just bought this Eagles. So, 1 half. 1/2 cup, 1/2 cup is equal to 1 cup. Okay, next is baking powder. 1 and 1/2 teaspoon. One and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon, oopsie, and 1/2. Then we have 2 eggs. So the first step is to mix everything in a bowl. So guys, ilagyan natin ng parchment paper. And then, ilalagay lang natin itong dough sa parchment paper. Gagawin lang natin siyang circle. Kailangan nilipis na siya guys para mabilis na luto. So, ilagay lang natin yan. So ito na yung dough natin. Next is i-preheat natin yung oven. So guys, bake 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Ilagay natin sila guys and sarap. So guys, next is meron tayo ditong Canadian bacon. So isa na lang siya. So slice lang natin. Natin. Yan na rin siya for later. Palagay natin later. Hey guys, so ito na siya after 23 minutes.
Because it's a lot bigger than what we made yesterday.
Oh yeah. I think because I added almond flour, that's why.
Yeah.
More cheese. We have ham.
Canadian bacon.
Ay, Canadian bacon. Canadian bacon pala. Here's the pizza. Oh, wow.
Two pizzas.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try the pizza I made with the help of my husband. Ta-da! Cheesy! My husband is to work, so he and go back to his office. So he's working from home. That's his snacks. Or maybe dinner. I don't know. But this is my pizza. Hope you like it.